Just stand out in the crowd with you. Every night is young when you hold me like I want you to do. Hands reach in between all of the spaces.
Ang love ng mga anak makes you look younger, more glow, and of course, happiness kasi is the the best gift ever na ibibigay natin kay Ate B. So again, Ate B, God bless you and more parties to come.
Finally, natuloy na yung gusto mong bonggang celebration. I wish you to have a more long life. Ba't ka naiyak, ma?
Happy birthday, Tita B! We love you! Yay! Happy birthday, Miss Vicky! Yay! We will do more walking, and we will do more dancing, and we will do more pilgrimage.
You wanna reach out and hold it like the evening star shining high in the night. Remember feeling the ocean breeze on an ocean drive. Wanna stay
Aking kababata, kami ay elementary, mag-classmate kami, tapos hanggang high school, hanggang ngayon, magaganda pa rin kami.
living the best days of your life. I got a feeling that you're doing alright. Radio playing nights at the drive-in. Wish this one would never end. Shooting fireworks.
Ate B, you are blessed. A very good family from your parents, from your siblings, to your supportive husband and caring children.
When you first feel
Almost 6 months of preparation, and mama, ang gusto ko sa inyo ay good health palagi. So, tara na po mag-gym para lalo tayong next week. Ayan.
you wanna reach out and feel it.
Sa aking lucky star, sa aking lucky charm, ilaw ng buhay. Wish ko lang, naka-35 na kami, 35 years. Ang wish ko ay mahabang buhay, 99. Tuloy pa tayong magsaya. Next year, magre-retire na ako. Iyong-iyo na ako. Iyong-iyo na. Oo.